Yeah. Good job. Are you calling Auntie Paris? Hi. Say hi, guys. Welcome back to our channel. Yeah. What else? What else would you like to say, my love? Hmm?
What's that?
Is that a dong dong? Where did you get it from?
I found it, but I don't think it's dundong.
Okay.
I think that's kind of food.
Oh, okay.
It just looks like food. It's really crunchy.
Don't step on it, my love. Hey! Oh yeah, I know. Tingnan nyo ang ating baby girl, guys. Malaki na ang ating baby girl. And have a look.
Yeah, because there's nothing what's inside if it's poo. It's crunchy, so it's not poo, it's crunchy.
Okay. So it's not poo because it's crunchy.
Definitely not
Yeah, it's some kind of fruit, my love.
poo. Yeah.
It's fine. So we're going out. Say hi sa tita and tito here. Oh, hi. Say hi sa tita and tito. Oh.
That just looks like chlorine inside a blueberry.
No, she wants to touch it. No. Hi, Nak. Say happy Friday, everyone.
Happy Friday.
Yan, walang school sa Ate Paris today kasi Friday. And guess what? Lagay ko kayo dito. Anak, let her touch it, anak. And today is warm. So, hindi siya, walang masyadong guys, hindi lumabas si haring araw, but warm siya. So, it's 25 or 26 today, kaya ilalabas ko ang ating mga junakis. Ayan, so ito yung pa-outfit ni mami nyo. Naka-sleeveless si mami nyo kasi very warm. Ayan. Tapos ganyan. So pupunta kami sa, guys, pupunta kami doon sa Bulimba. So dadalhin ko tong dalawa sa, Andre, ng aking lips kasi. Sa library. What is wrong? What is wrong? Magdadrive sana kami para madalian ba? Kasi anong oras na? Itong sasakyan natin, yung sasakyan natin ay yung rental pa rin. Ayaw na, kay basin ma. Daga na. And alam nyo ba, yung sasakyan natin, hindi ko nailagay yung car seat na Ate Paris, kay Baby Celine lang. So, okay lang yan kapag sa Ate Paris ay nasa school at kaming dalawa ni Baby Celine nung aalis. But, yeah. Kaya maglalakad na lang kami. Good exercise na rin. Nakapagsapatos na nga itong dalawa. O, tingnan nyo. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog. Nung binili namin ito, pumunta kami ng shop. And, look how cute this is. From Adidas. Sobrang liit. A very cutie cute. A very cutie cute. A very cutie cute. Kay Ate Paris din na meron nakbe. I'll show them. Ala na ba naman yung cupcake. So, Adidas din kay Ate Paris. And then, may meron pagpaganito mga accessories. So cute, diba? Very cute. Oh, what's wrong? Here. Yun. Kaya yan, kahit na 2 weeks yan sa amin, hindi pa talaga namin yan nagagamit talaga ng sobra ang ating rental. Kasi alam nyo, natatakot na ako guys na baka magasgasan konti or whatever. Kasi iba talaga kapag hindi atin yung sasakyan. I don't know if na-mention ko sa inyo, diba, na if ever na pag sauli natin sa sasakyan na to and there's something na hindi nila nagustuhan, then, yeah, they will charge our card in front up front $1,600. That's why very maingat ako, hindi ko na lang din ginagamit. Hindi naman talaga namin kailangan hindi naman kami ubaalis, especially this week kasi sa Ate Paris school. Yan, Sa lugna. Okay na. Okay, you ride it. Abi, models at your dress, be. Models at your dress. I'll sing that. I'll see you. I see you. Come on. Come on, knock. Okay, go.
I see you here. P-I-T. Step out.
Yeah. Good job. Okay, let's go na kasi Lynn is crying na. Okay. So we'll go to... Would you like to go to the park or the library, anak?
The library.
Library? Oh, great choice, my love.
Are we allowed to go to the both or after?
We'll see if we still have time. We'll go to the library first.
Yeah, so...
Oh, we'll go grab food first, actually.
So...
We'll go get the purple...
Sneak and play left or right.
We'll go get the purple drink first. Is that okay?
Wait, first you want to go.
Okay, Lini. Okay. Anak, I don't do that to your shoes. Anak! You know how to brake, Baba? Oh. Naku, tingnan nyo guys. Tumidilim man. Pero sabi sa weather forecast, hindi man daw ulan. Cloudy lang daw talaga. So warm, but cloudy. Natatakot ako ba? Kasi tingnan nyo, oh. Maambon. Baka ulanan kami nito. Ha? Yung umbrella? Hindi na lang siguro kami pupunta ng library. Siguro sa park na lang na dyan, oh. Sa end ng road na to. Kasi kung pupunta kami ng... That's okay. We're still fine, honey. I don't think it will rain. Hayaan yun na.
It's just getting dark.
It's just getting dark. Okay, keep going. Kasi kung pupunta kami ng library, alam niyo ba, medyo malayo pa yung lakaran na yun. Gusto ko nga bumili ng milk tea doon, malapit sa library. But I don't wanna take risk. Kasama tong dalawa. Layo. Uy! What's going on? Come on, keep going. Hopefully, hindi ulan. Meron namang bakery, yung Vietnamese bakery dyan, malapit sa park. So, dyan na lang siguro.
A few moments later.
So, we ended up here sa bakery. Oh, nalamit eh. Bakery na lang kami, guys. Hindi na lang talaga kami pumunta ng library. Ayan na. Ay, hindi na dong-dong. Ayan. What would you like to buy, Paris?
I saw the
Honey, go.
all the way
What would you like to
down.
buy?
No, that's what I want to buy.
Ay, anak. What would you like, anak? What would you like, my baby girl? Big girl naman ka na ko eh. Big girl baka ikaw. Oh, gumiginaw na nga eh. Tingnan nyo, kita ba guys? Madilim no?
Can I just pick up the tree?
It's lovely
I'll
like
just pick this one.
Okay.
Hello. Okay, let's go. Paris, put this on this. I've got steak, cheese and bacon pie, tomato sauce. I've got hot chocolate. And what have you got there? And this one? Yan. Share ko na lang sa kanya yung aking beef pie. Kasi ito siya, wala tong pili sa pagkain. Iyon siya. Ay, nako. Yan ang magdala. Then I've got this for my dessert. Ang lakas, Lini. No? What's wrong? Ito yung gusto niya, na sobrang init nito. Natin na. Hala. Oh no, what did you do? What happened? Yum, yum.
I like doing that. Go to the library.
Hmm?
I'm coming back to the library.
Because it looks like it's going to rain, and the library is still far to walk in. Next time when we have the car, okay? Alam nyo, on our way here, tinawagan ko yung nagre-repair ng ating sasakyan. Ala ka, anak! And guess what? Hindi naman siguro surprise na, guys. Expected na ganito talaga yung mangyayari. Sabi nila, they will fix the car for 2 weeks, di ba? Kaya nga, yung car rental is for 2 weeks. Ngayon, I called them. Nag-ask ko kung merong progress. And you know what she said? She's got nothing for me. The car is still on the floor. Nire-repair pa rin. And at the moment, yung sasabi lang daw nila ay another week. You know what? Next week, alam na yan. It will be another week next week. So I've been trying to call the car insurance. Kasi obviously, kailangan namin ng sasakyan. Kasi yung sasakyan natin na car rental is hanggang 8 lang yan ng August. And now, is the 5th. So, kailangan natin ng extra week. And, surprise again, I can't contact the insurance, guys. Sobrang haba ng linya ng queue. So, I've been on hold for 20 minutes. Tapos, dumating na kami dito. So, hindi ko na, kasi kailangan ko nang magbayad. Kaya tawagan ko na lang sila ulit mamaya. But, yeah. Hindi na surprise sa atin yung guys. Parang alam natin lahat yung mangyayari. Kasi remember last time, yung ating sasakyan, di ba? Yung sunroof na nasira. It took 1 month for the car to get back to us. So, we're thinking it will be the same. So, as long as maayos nila yung sasakyan, guys, and as long as meron kaming sasakyan na magagamit whenever we need one, it's fine. Yes. But I don't understand bakit hindi na lang nila sabihin na it will take a month para diretsuhan na lang ba? Kasi sinasabi nila it will take 2 weeks tapos nag-high hopes ka na 2 weeks ay mababalik na yung sasakyan, hindi pa pala. And stuff like this na tinatawagan mo yung insurance para to let them know na yun yung mangyayari. They have to extend yung car rental natin pero hindi mo sila makakontak. It takes forever makontak sila. You show tita what you reading? So siguro kailangan ko na talagang ilagay yung car seat ni Ate Paris doon. Nung pagdating kasi ng sasakyan, yung nilagay ko is yung kanyang car seat lang. Ako lang yung nag-install, guys. Mind you. Very handy si mami niyo. Ma. Siguro I'll find a way to put Ate Paris' thing there as well. Kasi katulad nito, kung meron lang sana, kung nilagay ko lang sana yung car seat ni Ate Paris, ay makapunta kami ng library. Yes, my love. Nakahanap sa Ate Paris ng kalaro doon. Yes, baby girl.
I was in the red thing and I jumped in the sand.
Good job. You okay? Ningling. Nakahanap ng kalaro sa Ate Paris doon, oh. Itong isa. May sariling mundo. Oh. Are you gonna ride your scooter? Huh? Uy, good job. La. Move there a little bit now. On the grass.
Let's do that again.
Go. Careful, please, nak. Celine! Tignan niyo, guys. Pang-buang bakit.
Try the gummy. Try the gummy.
Okay. Celine.
Let's try the gummy.
Tignan niyo yung ganyan. Tignan niyo. Ano, lala, tignan niyo yung ginagawa niyo. Ano, lala. Lala.
Right, try the gummy.
Are you tired na? Huh? I'm tired now, baby. Ay, Diyos.
Let's try the gummy.
Lala. Nak, wait until Celine starts to run, nak.
Let's try the gummy. I'm having
Ano, tignan niyo. Nak! Anong meron, nak?
I'm saying you.
Linigin! Anong meron? Anong meron?
I'm saying you to gummy.
Ikaw.
I guess.
A few moments later.
I don't have the key. I don't have the key. What are we gonna do? What should we do?
Stay
Stay where?
inside here. Stay here.
And?
That'll be home.
Daddy don't have the key, I don't think.
Here.
Daddy don't have the key as well. What shall we do? What shall we do? Do you have any idea? Do you have any idea?
I know. Maybe we can call the police or something.
Police?
Do you open it?
Do you think the police will open it for us?
I think so.
Any other idea?
I don't have an idea.
Oh no.
But what about we just sleep here instead?
Sleep outside?
No, inside there.
Where?
Inside here.
Just here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't be scared.
So it's now 6 o'clock ng gabi and I am getting Celine's food ready. Wala pa dito si Daddy Mike, guys, kasi sa office siya nag-work today and tumawag siya kanina sa akin kasi yung isang kasamahan nila sa work last day today and they're having some kind of dinner and that after work. So sabi niya, okay lang ba daw? Yeah, that's fine. Go. Kaya kami lang muna dito ng mga Junakis natin, mga baby girl natin. And I'm gonna get Celine's food ready. Hindi pa ako natapos sa aking pagtupi-tupi. Ayan na. Mamaya ko na yan siya. Alam niyo ba, I'm having this snack. Favorite mani. Boiled salted peanuts. Ang lalaki nila, guys. Ayan, oh. So I'm just gonna, I think we have beef sa fridge. So I'll make that for Celine. So we have this beef and then zucchini and carrots. We'll just boil it. Kasi last night, yung niluto ko pala kay kay baby Celine ay sweet potato. For some reason, hindi niya nagustuhan. Ewan ko, guys, kasi favorite ko yung sweet potato, pero siya hindi niya bet. Ang ating Ate Paris ay Sleeping Beauty. Kaya yan ay kakain na. Nilagyan ko na ng bib. Anak, it's time for dinner! Celine. Baba girl, let's go eat now. Mama cooked your food now, anak. Psst. Celine. Let's go eat. now. Hi. Let's go eat now. Yes? Oh, come. Let's go eat dinner. Were you reading na? Were you reading the book? What does it say? What does it say? Oh. Hi, ate. Ayun na. Nagising. She's sleeping. We're very messy here, guys. Alam niyo yung ginagawa ko? I am folding all these clothes. 1, 2, 3, go. Yum, yummy. Yum, yummy. So that's her food, guys, kung makikita nyo. So I chopped the beef finely para safe sa kanya. And then carrots and zucchini. Yum? Yummy? I'll grab your water. Ang kanyang ate ay mamaya kakain yan with me. Ito lang muna siya kasi tutulog to siya ng mas maaga. Yes. Yummy, yummy food. I'll get you a spoon. If you wanna use your spoon. Try ko nga to be, if it's soft enough.